Well, when I got this car, the aux port here wasn't working. So I tried a few cables, and the cables were working in other equipment. So I figured there was something wrong with the stereo somewhere, or the cable. So I just got the adapters to put into these keyholes here, which are fairly easy to get hold of, and you just slide the stereo out. And these Audis have auxiliary units. There's various different ones, like, so this one was in mine, and so they're normally wired in, so whatever the unit is sits in one of these little pockets here, and there's a cable that goes through a hole in the back here and comes out behind the stereo. So this is the one I pulled out. This one's for USB, so you can play MP3s, I guess, but you can get one for the old iPods that slides into it, and you can get another one which is a 6 CD changer. I might actually get a 6 CD change one if I can find one, because the stereo in this thing is absolutely amazing. It's the best stereo I've heard in any car, even with aftermarket stuff. It's a Blaupunkt head unit. There's numerous speakers. I'm gobsmacked how good it is. So anyway, I'm quite into Rush, and their production quality is really high, and it sounds incredible. So I might get a 6 CD changer just to keep some CDs in. But anyway, hooking it up to the phone is really useful, so I wanted to fix it. So what fixed it in my case was unplugging this unit. So these two sockets fit in parallel between a socket that goes into the back of the head unit. So this one was plugged into the head unit, and then the cable the standard cable that would go into the head unit plugs in here. So this basically sits in line. So I unplugged this from the head unit, this one, and unplugged the standard cable out of here, and then plugged it straight into the head unit, and then miraculously it started working. So there's obviously the wiring in here is shot. I guess one of the pins has come out or something. It's nothing obvious, but anyway, I thought I'd just do a quick post to say if you're having problems with your stereo misbehaving, because also when I touched it, you could turn it on and off, but then none of the controls started working. So it's obviously really flaky. Yeah, and it must be some of the wires in here. So yeah, it's just a quick update really, just say how I fixed the aux port. So it's brilliant now. I can either use the CD unit that's built in, or have my phone hooked up to it. Anyway, thanks for watching.